14th November, the birth anniversary of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, our first minister, who was hardly known as Chacha Nehru because of his deep love for children. Chacha, the nation, yeah, he used to see children are like birds in a garden, and they should be carefully and lovingly nurtured as they are future of the nation and the citizens of tomorrow. So today, let's celebrate this day with lots of joy, laughter, and enthusiasm. We have several fun activities and performances lined up just for you. Every child is here, different kids of flower, and all together make this world a beautiful garden. By this beautiful thought on this adopting morning, we Sanjay and Ashwin Sai welcome our most honorable correspondent sir and ma'am, respected principal sir, teachers, and our grateful parents to this special gathering of our school. So, are you are ready? Let's start our program with applause for our performance beginners. Thank you so much.
First, give big applause for them. They are first standard. They started very nicely. Not enough. Please, big applause.
Stop, children. Chachaji, we love you so much. Chachaji, this way is for you. Chachaji, we love you so much. You are children deeply, you are mothers baby, you are informed children. Yeah, he was born on 14th November 1889 at Prayagraj in Uttar Pradesh. His father's name was Motilal Nehru and mother's name was Swaraprani. He received his yearly education at home under private tutors. He studied law in England and became a barrister. We are the stars in the sky. We are the children. We want to shine. Happy Children's Day. We are the light in the dark. And Gurbalaji bro for your nice explanation. And one more thanks for first and second standard student songs. Small children are the pride of our country. The performance of small children is the most beautiful and adorable. So let us see LKG birds in fantasy.
பேரண்ட்ஸ் யாரும் இங்கே இருக்க வேணாம், கொஞ்சம் பேக் சைடில் போயிடுங்க. ஏன்னா பேக் சைடில் இருக்கவங்க யாரும் தெரிய மாட்டாங்க.
to everyone. Be kind of help others. Thank you. I am known as Netaji. I am great freedom fighter. I love my country. Thank you. Jai Hind. Officer. I am a public servant. I wear country uniform. I am doctor. I work in the hospital.
பண்ணுங்க clap your hand.
I am a doctor and a white coat. I have student. I have gun. I have cat and people. I have torture kite. I was a Pachuman. I miss up India. My name is Jawaharlal Nehru. Thank you. I help the poor and people. Jawaharlal Nehru. அனைவருக்கும் வணக்கம். செய்த முடைத்து வியம் செய்யாது முடைத்து பயம் என்றால் யாதைமா. நான் வியமங்கி வேல் நாட்டார். நான் ஆங்கியை எதிர்த்து முதல் பெண் பேசியவன். எனக்கு வாழ்வீச்சு முதியேற்றம் யானையேற்றம் போன்ற கலைகளை கற்றுள்ளேன். நான் ஆங்கியை எதிர்த்து சிவகங்கையை மீட்டுள்ளேன். நீங்களும் என்னை போல வீட்டுடன் செயல்படுங்கள். நன்றி, வணக்கம்.
அருமைங்க.
नाम जयश्री है. मेरा नाम संजना है. आज 14 नवंबर है और हम बाल दिवस मना रही है. बाल दिवस पंडित जवाहरलाल नेहरू जी जन्म दिवस पर पूरी भारत देश में मनाया जाता है. पंडित जवाहरलाल नेहरू जी भारत की पहले प्रधानमंत्री थे. पंडित नेहरू जी हमेशा बच्चों की पसंद करते थे. बच्चे उन्हें प्यार से चाचा नेहरू करते थे. बच्चे देश का भविष्य होते थे. धन्यवाद. जय हिंद.
Follow Kaushika ma'am. Clap.
I want more in the night. I want more. Stop. What are you doing, boy? I am singing. Ananda.